Maybe you're wondering what is the difference between no content and low content books. Let me break down. When you talk of no content, it simply means they have no written content inside. No written content, just repetitive blank pages. An example is a simple lined notebook. In this simple lined notebook, what is repeating itself is just the lines, the blank lines, the blank pages. So when we talk of no content books, they contain no written content at all. You're not writing anything. If it's a blank journal, it's just blank pages. A sketchbook, just blank pages for sketching. As simple as that. But now, when we talk of low content, these they have minimal content that is repetitive or guided. Minimal written content or images that is repetitive or guided. You can, for example, have a gratitude journal, and inside that gratitude journal you can have prompts like, today I'm grateful for, today this made me happy, 3 things that I'm grateful for, like that. If it's like a planner must have prompts. If it is a daily, a weekly, or a monthly planner. Goal setting journals, activity books where you've included different activities. If it is like coloring books where you've included images for coloring. A budget planner where you've included prompts, guided prompts for planning. So as long as it has some minimal written content, that is what we are calling what? The low content books. So these two are very high profitable if you do them well. You can start with the no content, then graduate to the low content.